In the 1970s, the wealthiest 1% owned less than 10% of the world's assets. Today, they control over half. During this same period, the world's billionaires have grown their wealth at a rate that is nearly twice as fast as the richest 1%. When does this disparity reach a tipping point? Imagine a world where just a few people control not only most of the world's wealth, but also government leaders, major media outlets, and new technologies. A world where a secret organization decides what's best for the rest of humanity. The world of Rudolf Dirsch, newest member of this organization and CEO of the world's first trillion-dollar corporation. How do his struggles to reconcile business and family impact the world's future? And who, if anyone, can break this group's iron grip on the status quo? Could it be a renegade physicist, close to unraveling one of the universe's greatest mysteries? Or could it be the increasingly compelling visions of a beautiful art curator? The answers may astound you. Welcome to the world of Dark Matters, where wealth, science, and the human spirit come together to determine humanity's ultimate endgame. Dark Matters by Michael Dow.